Yesterday, I made 10 jungle shorts in 50 minutes. These are the shorts. So you have two options now. The first is that you learn and apply the niche that we will explain, which is the jungle niche, and apply the tips and then succeed on YouTube and make it a source of passive income as well. I do not guarantee you success, but if you apply what I'm going to tell you in this video, you have a high probability of success. The second option is to skip this video as if you did not click on it. At that time, there is no possibility of success because you have not even tried the method. Okay, here's the thing. This short video talks about most mysterious discoveries made in the jungle. It got 2.9 million views. Also see this short that talks about mysterious things found in forest. It has attracted 37 million views. This niche that we are talking about provides facts about jungle, but not any facts, only the strange and terrifying facts. What distinguishes this niche is that it does not have much competition, so this is an opportunity for you to start in it now. Okay, we will divide the entire method into 3 steps to make it as clear as possible. The first step, create the shorts. In order to create them, we will only need 2 websites. The first website is the famous Chatgpt website. Here just tell it to write 100 topics, 50 of which will be about strange facts about the jungle, and the other 50 topics will be about terrifying facts about the jungle, but tell it to write only the names of the topics and not go into details. Then we will simply take a topic from them and tell it to write us interesting and short information about this topic. Then we will copy the information and we will go to Fliki website. I will put its link in the description. It is preferable that you subscribe to one of its paid plans in order to use the content comfortably. Then all we have to do is create an account and then this interface will appear. Here we will click on new file and then give it any name and make sure that you choose the portrait size and click submit. Close this window and click on this plus icon. Then paste the information here and distribute the text into several sections like this. Then all we have to do is click on this square to add a video, then generate. Click on the video option and type a description for the video that suits the text. For example, here the text talks about enigmatic creatures, so we will type a monster in the jungle, then click generate. As you can see, it has created an image for us. After that, click on generate video clip using this image to turn it into a video. As you can see, this is a video made from scratch and does not exist anywhere else. Click on use this video clip and repeat the same thing in the rest of the text. This is the final video.
In the depths of the jungle, there are reports of encounters with enigmatic creatures.
To download it, click on download, then start export, then start. And finally download file. After that, repeat the same process for the number of shorts you want. Creating the short took us about 5 minutes, but in order to create a special thumbnail and upload it to YouTube, it will take a little extra time. To create the thumbnail, we will click on one of the videos that we created, then go to my library, right-click on the image and select Save Image As, then save it to your device. After that, we will go to the Canva website. Here we will click on Create a Design and select Custom Size. Then type in the width 960 and type in the height 1620 and click Create New Design. We will upload the image that we created from Fliki. Just click on Uploads, then Upload Files and choose the image. We will drag it here and make it appropriate to the size. Now there are 3 things that must be in the thumbnail in order for it to be a successful thumbnail. The first is to arouse curiosity. The thumbnail must contain a great deal of curiosity. And the second is simplicity. This means that it's not desirable to put overly many elements in it, but keep it simple. The third is visual appeal. To give you an example of this, notice what the thumbnail will look like. As you can see, the text enigmatic creatures in the jungle arouses great curiosity, and there are not many elements and complexity in the thumbnail, and it is also visually attractive. To download it, click on share and then download. Then we will go to the Capcut website. Here all we have to do is click on create new and choose this vertical size. Then upload the thumbnail and the short video from here. We will put the thumbnail first and make its duration 1 second. And we will put the short after it and download the new short from export. In order to select the thumbnail for the short to be uploaded, we must first send the short from the computer to the phone, because in the computer we cannot choose thumbnails dedicated to the shorts. The process is simple. Just go to Google Drive and sign in with your email, then click on New, File Upload, and choose the short. After we uploaded the short, now from the iPhone we will go to the Google Drive app. After that, sign in with the same Gmail account. You will find the short here. Click on the 3 dots next to the short on the right, then choose Send a Copy, then Save Video, and it will be saved in your camera roll. For Android, the process is almost the same. After that, we will go to YouTube app on the phone and click on the plus icon and select the short video from the camera roll. Click Done and click on the check mark. Then click Next. Click on the pen mark at the top left, then select the first shot like this and click Done. Type the title here and make sure that the short is public, and just click upload short so that it will be uploaded to your channel. However, the duration of the short must not exceed a minute in order for YouTube to consider it short video. If we go to the channel, we will find that the thumbnail is displayed. The second step, make the channel a source of passive income. After you create several shorts and publish them, the next step is to convert this method into passive income. And in order to do that, there are two ways. The first way is, just create a large number of shorts at once. For example, create 100 shorts, let's say in 10 hours. And let's say that you publish a short every day, then these 100 will be enough for you for 100 days without making more, just publishing them on your channel. After the end of the 100 days, repeat the same thing. The second way is hiring a freelancer from Fiverr website. Just go to Fiverr and type making YouTube shorts here. You will find many professionals. Just contact him via chat and tell him how you want him to make the shorts. You can send him this video link so that he understands the method. Then you can ask him to upload the shorts on your channel. The method is simple and easy. Go to YouTube Studio, then Settings, and Permissions. Click on Invite and enter the freelancer's email. Then choose a permission from these permissions. You can give him editor or editor limited permission if you like, and click Done, then Save. And it will be sent this message to his email. He must accept the invitation by clicking on this button. After that, he will be allowed to publish videos on your channel, and you can delete him from your channel at any time. The third step, apply these 11 tips. In order to apply the method correctly, you must know these 11 very important tips and then apply them in your shorts in order to greatly increase the probability of success. 1. Don't forget to create a thumbnail for the short video. One of the important things that some content creators do not pay attention to is creating thumbnails for shorts, although it is very important to allocate eye-catching thumbnails, such as when you create long videos. 2. Start the short with a hook word. It's important to start the short video with a hook word or sentence that captivates the viewers to watch the short until the end, because watching the entire short contributes to the spread of the short more. 3. Upload at the correct times of the day. Many people are only interested in publishing on certain days and do not care about the correct times for publishing. Therefore, you should study more precisely when your audience is most present on YouTube and publish at those times. 4. Focus more on arousing curiosity. One of the most important tips for success on YouTube in long and short videos is to arouse the curiosity of viewers. So play on this aspect as much as you can. 5. Choose an interesting topic. Choosing the topic is the first step to achieving success. When Chatgpt types the topics, choose only the ones that you find very interesting. 6. Focus very much on the title. The title must be as eye-catching and interesting as possible. For example, instead of writing scariest facts about the Amazon jungle, say, you will not believe what I discovered about Amazon jungle. Title like this is very interesting. 7. Share the links of shorts. In order to increase views, share the link on other social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. 8. Put lots of movement. The short needs to contain a lot of effects and movement, such as the appearance of texts with speech, transitions between scenes, etc. 9. Keep publishing. Although shorts usually spread much faster and more widely than long videos, you must be patient in order to achieve great results. This means do not publish 1 or 2 shorts and give up if they do not bring views, but rather continue publishing until you achieve success. 10. Keep learning. Continuous learning is one of the most important factors for success on YouTube, whether for short or long videos. You must learn everything from how to choose an attractive topic and title, all the way to hook, editing, attracting interest, etc. 11. You must monitor and improve the results. Do not publish videos and be satisfied with that. Rather, constantly monitor the results and try to improve them every time you make shorts. For example, if you noticed in the YouTube analytics that most of the viewers suddenly left the video at a certain moment, such as this moment, then you must review what this moment was. Did it contain boring words or something annoying? And fix that in the next shorts. If you also want to know how I made 100 long videos in 1 hour, watch this video shown on the screen.